In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Ticketmaster tickets. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can check out with confidence and avoid common pitfalls. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Ticketmaster. You'll likely see ads and third-party listings, so take a moment to find the official Ticketmaster website. Check the domain carefully and make sure you're on the correct regional site for your country or area to ensure accurate pricing, dates, and availability. Once you're on the site, set your location so results are relevant to where you plan to attend. Use the search bar to type the name of an artist, event, or venue and apply the date you're interested in. Filters can narrow things down by genre, date range, and city, which saves time and helps you find exactly what you want. When you're ready, run the search. From the results page, choose the event that matches your plans and click into it. Review the event details carefully, including the date, time, venue, and any age restrictions or special notes. This is also a good moment to confirm whether it's a standard sale or a resale listing, as that can affect pricing and policies. Next, select your admission type and the number of tickets you need. Options might include reserved seating, general admission, VIP packages, or accessible seating. Keep an eye on ticket limits per order and the price tiers shown on the seat map or list. If you're choosing seats, zoom in on the map to confirm the section and view before moving on. Click the button to reserve your tickets. A countdown timer typically starts, holding your seats for a short window. Work steadily, but don't rush past important details, since the timer is usually designed to give you enough time to complete the steps. Provide your delivery details based on the options available for that event. Many shows use mobile delivery, while some may offer pickup or mail. Enter your address information accurately and decide whether to add ticket insurance. Insurance is optional. Read the brief description so you understand what's covered before you choose. Now, review the terms and your order total. Look closely at the seat locations, quantity, event date and time, and the breakdown of fees. Make sure everything matches your intentions and that you're comfortable with the refund and transfer policies listed. Proceed to payment. Choose your preferred payment method, enter the required details, and verify that your billing information is correct. When everything looks right, place the order. Hold the page until you see confirmation and keep your confirmation message for reference. Enjoy the show.